Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This channel is all about the insurance. Now we will discuss about the catastrophes insurance issues. Let's continue without wasting your time. Catastrophes insurance issues. The term catastrophes in the property insurance industry denotes a natural or man-made disaster that is unusually severe. An event is designed and designated a catastrophe by the industry when claims are expected to reach a certain dollar threshold, currently set at $25 million, and more than a certain number of policyholders and insurance companies are affected. The magnitude of the damage caused by the Katrina and the potential damage Hurricane Rita might have caused had it not weakened from an intense Category 5 hurricane has triggered a re-examination not just among the insurance and the reinsurers but also among the public policy and political leaders of how the United States deals with the financial consequences of such massive property damage and personal loss. Disaster losses along the coast are likely to escalate in the coming years in part because of the huge increase in the development. One catastrophe modeling company predicts that catastrophe losses will double every decade, also due to growing residential and commercial density and more expensive buildings. Data from the Census Bureau collected by USA Today show that 2016 to 2006, 34.9 million people were seriously threatened by Atlantic hurricane compared with the 10.2 million in 1950. Before the 2005 hurricane season, Hurricane Andrew ranked as the single most costly U.S. natural disaster. Man-made catastrophes such as an attack on the World Trade Center can also cause huge losses. The attack led Congress to pass the Terrorism Attack Insurance Act in November 2002. Since then, TRIA has been reauthorized. Twice the latest reauthorization passed at the end of the 2007 extends the law to 2014. TRIA provides a federal backstops for the commercial insurance losses from the Terrorist Attack Act, making it easier for insurers to calculate their maximum losses for such a catastrophe and thus to underwrite the coverage. See the topic on the typical homeowner's insurance policy covers damage from a fire, windstorm, hail, riots, and collisions, as well as the other type of loss, such as the theft and the cost of the living elsewhere while the structure is being repaired or rebuilt after being damaged. And commercially, property insurance policies generally cover the same causes of the loss with some variation depending on the coverages selected. Flood and earthquake damages are excluded under homeowners policies. Separate policies are available but are covered under the comprehensive portion of the standard auto policy, which more than 75% of the drivers who buy auto liability the insurance purchase. The insurance industry tracks the catastrophes to monitor claims costs, assigning a number to each catastrophe. Each claiming a claim arising from the event is tracked so that the total industry-wide losses can be tabulated. The term catastrophe is often used in the property insurance industry in a narrow way to mean a catastrophe. Each claim arising from the event is tracked so that the total industry-wide losses can be tabulated. The term catastrophe is often used in the property insurance industry in a narrow way to mean a catastrophic event that exceeds a dollar threshold in claims payouts. This figure has changed over years with inflation and the increase in development of areas subject to natural disaster. Starting in 1997, the catastrophe definition was raised from $5 million to $25 million in insured damage. There have been four catastrophes that fall into the mega catastrophe category, greatly exceeding the $25 million threshold. The first two, Hurricane Andrew 1992 and the Northridge earthquake 1994, were both watershed events in that they were far more destructive than most experts had predicted, and a disaster of this type would be the terrorist attack on the World Trade Center in 2001 altered insurers' attitude about man-made risks worldwide. Hurricane Katrina, the fourth catastrophe, is not only the most expensive natural disaster on record, but also an event that intensified discussion nationwide about the way disaster natural and man-made are managed. It also focused attention on federal flood insurance programs. Thanks for visiting my YouTube channel.